Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open the charging case. If it's your first connection, it will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see it as a device list. But make sure that you removed the insulating film right here. Now, the second option, how to enter the pairing mode, is to use this connectional button at the top of the case. Right here we have it, and you need to press and hold it for at least 3 seconds. You just press and hold it, 1, 2, 3, and you will enter to pairing mode manually. Now we can see these earbuds right here at the device list, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!